Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to escalate unresolved support issues. If your issue with Fundbox support remains unresolved after the initial contact, or if you're experiencing delays, repeated errors, or a lack of response, it may be time to escalate the matter. Now, when should you escalate? Now, you should consider escalating if you've waited more than 3 business days with no reply, or if the solution provided didn't resolve your issue, or if you're experiencing multiple technical failures or funding disruptions, or if your business is at risk due to the delay, or if a promised callback or follow-up hasn't happened yet. Now, how to escalate? So first you got to follow up on your original ticket. Reply directly to the last email from Fundbox support. You want to make sure that you keep your tone polite and professional. Add escalation request to the subject line and state clearly why you're escalating. For example, delay, unresolved issues, or urgency. Next is to contact support through another channel. You can try reaching Fundbox via an alternative support method, such as a phone call, live chat, or LinkedIn or Twitter for professional outreach. Next, request a supervisor. You can ask for your case to be transferred to a senior support agent or supervisor. For example, you could say, "Hi, I'd like to escalate this ticket as it's now affecting my business operations. Please connect me with a superior or tier 2 agent." Now, what to include in your escalation? You're going to need your original ticket number, a summary of what has happened so far, why the issue is unresolved, the impact on your business, and of course, your preferred resolution or next step. Now, what happens after escalation? Well, escalated issues typically receive a response within 1 business day. You may be contacted by a senior agent or technical specialist. For critical issues, for example, fund draw failures or account lockouts, they are prioritized. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.